In a small town, surrounded by quiet green hills, there lived a boy named Ethan. He went to the local school, just an ordinary boy like everyone else, playing with friends, listening to birds sing, watching clouds drift across the sky. That was his little world. But there was one thing Ethan really struggled with: studying. No matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't understand his lessons. His classmates often laughed at his mistakes, and that made him feel even worse. Slowly, Ethan began to lose confidence in himself. One afternoon, after school had ended, Mr. Harris, the philosophy teacher, was still sitting alone in the classroom. Ethan walked up to him slowly, feeling unsure. In a soft voice, he said, "Sir, I want to talk to you about something." Mr. Harris looked up and smiled. "Of course, Ethan. Come, sit down. What is it?" Ethan hesitated for a moment, then said quietly, "Sir, I'm really bad at studying. I can't remember anything. I can't focus either. Honestly, I feel hopeless. Could you please give me some advice?" Mr. Harris smiled gently. "You know what, Ethan? You're not the only one. Many students feel the same way. But if you truly want to improve, you can. I'll teach you 5 simple but powerful lessons that can change the way you learn. First lesson: calm your mind." Mr. Harris handed Ethan a glass bottle filled with muddy water. "What do you see here?" he asked. Ethan replied, "Dirty water, sir." "All right," Mr. Harris said. "Let's leave it for a while and watch what happens." After about an hour, the dirt had settled at the bottom, and the water became clear. "What about now?" he asked. Ethan looked surprised. "The water is clear now, sir." "Exactly," said Mr. Harris. "Our mind is just like this. When it's full of stress, fear, or too many thoughts, we can't think clearly. So, before you start studying, close your eyes for 5 minutes and focus on your breathing. It will calm your mind and help you learn better. Second lesson: focus on the present. Mr. Harris placed a lit candle on the table. "Look at this flame," he said softly. "Try to keep your focus only on it. Don't let your thoughts wander." At first, Ethan couldn't do it. His mind kept drifting, thinking about his friends, exams, failures. But slowly, his attention stayed only on the flame. "See," Mr. Harris said, "the past is over, and the future hasn't come yet. All we have is this present moment. So when you study and your mind drifts away, gently bring it back. Practice this every day." Third lesson: try to understand, not just memorize. Mr. Harris gave Ethan a sponge and a rock. Then he poured water on both. The sponge absorbed the water. The rock didn't. "Some students just memorize, they're like the rock," he explained. "But those who understand, imagine, and learn through examples, they're like the sponge. They absorb knowledge and remember it. So always try to understand, not just memorize." Fourth lesson: break learning into small parts. Mr. Harris handed Ethan a large wooden block. "Try to break this," he said. Ethan tried hard, but couldn't. Then, the teacher cut it into smaller pieces. This time, Ethan could break them easily. "You see," said Mr. Harris, "you can't learn big topics all at once. Break them into smaller parts. Study a little each day. Take short breaks. Then continue. It will keep you fresh and help you learn faster." Fifth lesson: practice regularly. Mr. Harris planted seeds in 2 pots. He watered one every day, but left the other dry. After a few days, one pot had a small plant growing, while the other stayed barren. "If you give a little time every day to your studies," he said, "you'll see results. But if you study one day and skip the next 3, It won't help. Even 20 minutes a day makes a difference. Just be consistent. Over the next few weeks, Ethan followed every tip Mr. Harris gave him. At first, there wasn't much change, but slowly, things began to shift. He could sit longer. He could focus better. He began to understand what he studied. His grades improved, but more importantly, he began to enjoy learning. 5 years later, Ethan had become a successful young man, and he often remembered that day when his teacher shared 5 simple lessons that changed his life forever. And you too, if you're struggling with studying or anything in life, take a small step forward, just like Ethan did. Calm your mind. Focus on the present. Try to understand. Break things into small steps and practice regularly. Your small efforts will one day grow into great success. Your belief and your hard work will become your greatest tools for achievement. If you believe this story should reach more people, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories